up. Wait a second. Hold on. Okay, there are two things I want you to do before we get into this video. Number one, drop me one of these because I'm about to give you something that's going to get you action. I want you to take out your phone, and if you have a woman or somebody that you're interested, I want you to text her. Ready? Yo, mamacita, I think you're spicy. You're welcome. That text message is so lethal for you getting action, it should be illegal and probably is in Canada. The first text message you should never send a woman is, hey, or hi. Hi, hey, what? Oh my God, he said hey. Said no woman ever, like literally, no woman ever thought to herself, ooh, he said hey, oh my goodness. Hello, Sheila, yes, I would like to take you possibly out on Saturday if you're interested. Really? The second thing that you should never, ever text a woman is to ask her out for a first date. Gentlemen, here's the deal. I know that rejection is tough, right? And getting rejected over text message is a lot easier than having her actually tell you, I'm not interested, I can't, no thanks, I don't think you're sexy like alpha. I'm a firm believer that if you're serious about somebody or really interested in going out, you gotta make that connection. A text message does not make that connection. You actually being comfortable, going up to her and asking, even if you do get rejected, gentlemen, what is the worst thing that happens? She says no, she's got a boyfriend, she digs me. Oh, don't look at me like that. She's probably heard that I smell amazing because I rock Rebel, right? The word apparently has been traveling fast. Speaking of fast, gentlemen, you want to get sexy smelling fast? You got to hit that link down below. Check out Rebel, right? This is the most amazing fragrance in the history of fragrances. Rebel's inspired by my all-time favorite fragrance, Creed Aventus, but I didn't want to spend $450. I was tired of it, so I was like, yo, I'm going to make my own. Highly inspired by Creed Aventus, not a copy or a clone, but if you like this, you're going to love this because this is $350 and this is under $50, and with that special discount code down below, it's even more affordable. We got Rebel, King, Hero, and the most recent addition to the P. Pedro fragrance family, Villain, inspired by Tom Ford's Tobacco Vanille. Gentlemen, we sell them individually or as a set, including the deluxe samples. It's a lot of fragrance, right? It's got a little Mr. Bang, exactly. Gentlemen, start smelling better, start smelling sexy today. Hit the link, use the code. The third text you should never send, and that is a breakup text. Me, you, done. That was easy. That was not. Gentlemen, here's the deal. Don't be a pussy. The next text you should never send a woman is a text in the middle of the night, all right? So here's one of the things that is fairly common, right? You'll be drinking, you'll be having a good time, and then all of a sudden you'll get horny, right? And what do? Either A, you text her, B, you call her, or C, you text your ex, which is even worse. The next text you should never, ever send a woman is, did you get my text? The answer is yes, she got your text. She always gets your text. Everybody gets their text. But unfortunately, she's not interested. Or she's with she's with your boy Alpha because I smell sexy. The next text you should never send is over emojification. There's a razor thin line between appropriate and proper use of emojis and the dude that sends a lot of emojis and looks like a douche. Emojis, when used properly, can be amazing. They can add to the text and make you seem actually charming. But on the flip side, if you're doing it too much or over emojification, it makes you look a little weird. Something else that makes you seem a little weird is taking a picture of Big Al. Pickle pics, gentlemen, say no to pickle pics because here's how the situation is going to unfold, right? It's the universe. It's cosmic karma for you being such a dumbass. You are going to be like, yo, Al, smile. Woo, oh my God, it looks big, right? And you're gonna filter it, right? You're gonna send it to your girl. You're gonna be like, yeah, mama. She's gonna get it and be like, why is he sending me a picture of his dick, right? She's gonna forget about it. She's gonna set it down. And then her mom, right? Her mom is gonna be like, let me see what Brenda's up to. Oh my God. Her mom freaks out and then sends it to her weird Aunt Becky, right? And then Becky's gonna get it and be like, oh, damn, right? And then Becky's gonna be blowing up your phone. But Alpha, can I send an eggplant emoji? If that's your one emoji I'm kidding. No, gentlemen, don't send the eggplant emoji. Something you should do with your eggplant is powder your boys. Gentlemen, the fact is you are a sexy savage. You're gonna have a lot of chance for action. You gotta make sure that when she goes downtown to visit Al, like, hey, oh my God, you stink, right? You think she wants to smell your funky, nasty, sweaty balls? The answer is she does not, gentlemen, unless, of course, she's freaky. 99 99.9.75% of women don't want to smell your stinky balls. The only way you're going to prevent it is by using a powder on your junk every single day, because balls, they sweat. It's dark, it's hot, it's meaty mess down your pants. You're running around all day. It's dark, it's damp, and what happens? Bacteria, odor, and so your balls smell funky. That is what balls do. The only way you're going to have fresh, amazing smelling testicles, gentlemen, is by hitting them with a little bit of the good stuff. The Pete and Pedro powder. This may sound a little bit weird, but I wish you could smell my junk, because I smell amazing. I do every day, gentlemen. And if you want to take your freshness, friction-free game to the next level, you got to hit that link down below and check out the Pete and Pedro powder. It is a non-talc-based powder. The Pete and Pedro powder is the best powder on the market, and I consider myself a ball powder aficionado. I've tried hundreds over the years. Now, my old favorite Chassis, right? You're like, yo, Alpha, what about Chassis? Chassis literally can suck my ball. Fresh, friction-free balls, because our product smells better than Chassis, it works better than Chassis, it's also more affordable than Chassis, because we give you 5 ounces, Chassis gives you 4. We also give you a sick-ass discount code down below, because I am committed to making your balls smell better. Which brings me to the next text you should never send, and that is the booty call. Yo, come over, I got a pizza, right? That's not necessarily getting the engine rolling, right? You got to initiate it, right? Earlier in the day, it's about building the anticipation, the excitement. And so what I recommend is late morning. Start the conversation, I'm getting all crazy, right? Thinking about it. I'm excited. I'm excited for you because it works so damn well. Late morning, start the conversation, right? Hey, what are you doing tonight? You know, just start getting her thinking, right? Hey, would you like to go out to dinner? Hey, would you like to meet up? Hey, I've been thinking about you, or I thought of you, or whatever, right? Start making her think that you're actually thinking about it earlier and not just a last minute booty call. The next text that you shouldn't send, gentlemen, is an angry text, right? Fighting over the text message. You're like, I hate your face, I slut, right? Bad move, because inevitably it's gonna go crickets, right? She's gonna see this and she's not gonna respond because she's like, yo, the old boy's crazy and I'm not even getting into that, right? And then you're gonna be like, damn, she didn't respond. She's not fighting back. And then you're gonna start feeling bad. And then you're gonna apologize for the angry text, which is even worse. So those are a few text message types that you should never send if you're trying to date somebody or you're interested in somebody. But now what I like to do is actually go over a few more texts that you should never send your ex. Because unfortunately, this is where a lot of dudes basically lose their shit. I promise I'll change text. Come on, gentlemen. She knows better, or at least she should, and so should you. Can we just meet and talk, please? Right? Come on, can we just meet? I just want to see. You think in your head, because you're a dude and I'm a dude and I get it, right? You think that if she just sees you, right, she'll remember how amazing you are. She'll see that handsome ass face because you've been using T. Hanley. She's gonna be like, damn, you're gonna be smelling all sexy, and you're gonna be like, yo, my balls smell great too, right? I know. And you think this is going to magically make everything better. Unfortunately, it won't. Let's just meet up and hang out as friends text. Come on. She's got enough friends and so do you. What you don't have is somebody to make out with and get frisky and freaky with. And so stop it. She knows the deal. You don't want to be friends, and neither does she. And the last text that you should never send your ex is the I am doing so amazing text, right? This is code for I am pathetically missing your ass. And that's it, gentlemen. A few text messages that you should never, ever send somebody you're interested in or your ex. And if you do and I find out about it, I'm gonna break your thumbs.